Namaskarams. We will continue to seek the blessings of Sri Rajarajeshwari by chanting Adi Shankaracharya's brilliant composition called Sri Rajarajeshwari Mantra Matrika Stavam. The shlokams in this composition are based on the 15 aksharams or syllables of the Panchadashakshari mantram. Today, we will be chanting shlokam number 2, the second syllable in the Panchadashakshari mantra, A. Please join me. Ekaradi samasta varna vividha Karaika chidrupini Chaitanyatmaka chakrarajanilayam Chandraanta sancharini Bhava vibhavini Bhavaparam Sadbhakti Chintamani Shri Chakrapriya Bindu Tarpana Param Shri Rajarajeshwari Shri Rajarajeshwari Shri Rajarajeshwari. The meaning of this shlokam: salutations to Goddess Sri Rajarajeshwari, who is especially pleased by worship at the Sri Chakra, who assumes myriad forms emerging from all the letters starting with A, who is of the very nature of consciousness, residing as the soul of the Sri Chakra, who dwells within the inner realm of the moon's orbit, who appears in childlike form and is beyond worldly bondage, who is the true wish-fulfilling gem for those of pure devotion, and who is ever devoted to worshipping the Bindu at the center of the Sri Chakra. Namaskaram.